Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 4a and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to this button at the center. When we tap here we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to this button from the right. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place here we have the save location option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can easily turn it off or turn it on like that as we need. And here also the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me turn it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. To see the photo, let's move to the right to this button. Here we can get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo. To check its location, we have to just simply slide a little bit down. And as you can see here we have access to the map with the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.